which is also a very controversial subject. If I was to speak out about the so-called raising me, yes, which I should pay back for. Very controversial, but I will not meddle on those matters. But I said, I built a house which costed me thousands of dollars. Don't you think that what I'm doing for you is better than if I decided to just buy a cow, which is worth not more than $400?
Yes.
I'm not going to do it. Kana vachimuka ngozi ndakamirira. I told them kuti ngozi ndakamirira, and they said, well, we are not going to bury her until you pay all those damages. And I said, wait until she dies. If I'm alive, you will see this woman, this old lady, I can bury her alone. I take care of everything, her food, her medical bills. I do everything. Why do you think if she dies, suddenly she's going to become a monster to me? I will not be afraid of a corpse. I can dig a grave and bury her alone. Yes. If you decide to walk away. There's nothing that she can do to me after she dies. Believe me. So I'm just strengthening you.
Yes.
We are children of the kingdom.
Yes.
We are not easily intimidated. How can grandmother, that is literally my responsibility, I do everything for her, suddenly become a tormenting spirit to me because I refused to buy a beast of a cow for a stupid cultural ritual that is connected to idolatry? I will never do it. Yes, I didn't do it until today. I will never do it. And now she got well acceptable to my position and she stopped talking about it and she's happy. I do what I can. I do what I want to do.
Yes.
No one will blackmail me to do something. And be someone who is able to face your parents and tell them, you are too much demanding. It is as if you want me to pay you for having birthed me into this world. How much do you want me to pay you for sending me to school? If you find them too much demanding and unreasonable, speak to them face to face.
Yes.
I birthed you. I carried you in my womb for 9 months. You made love to your husband. You enjoyed yourselves. You agreed to have a child. Suddenly, it's my problem now. That's not what a parent should be.
Yes.
A parent should be loving. A parent should care about whether their children is doing well or not. Do you know there are parents who never ask you if you are doing well in your life?
Yes.
Some of you lost your job. You couldn't even tell them that I am no longer working. They still send requests. You borrow money to send them food, even when you are looking for a job. Parents do not behave like that. Sit down with them. I appreciate you are my parents, but your attitude is not of a parent. Behaving like parasites, with all due respect. Lower your expectations, lower your demands. I need time to save money so that I can marry a wife. Dorora rini kejo rikudiwa parudiwa ngoro. Amuna utenga ngoro muchizvishanjira mega. Sema akuda ngoro izvezvi. Dai muine ngoro yeruda vhiri rakaponja zviri nani. Hamuna ngoro. Muda kuti ini ndikutengerei ngoro. Mamuchiitei pamamchi vamwe vachitenga ngoro vezera renyu maitenge. Some of them they were chasing after women. Buy me a car. Did you buy a car for yourself? Why do you think suddenly because I am now employed you need to drive a car? If you could not afford to buy a car for yourself, why should it be my problem to buy you a car? I'm not buying you a car because you are demanding for a car. I will buy you a car. Number one, because I love to buy you a car. Number two, I can afford to buy a car. Number three, I will buy you a car because that will not jeopardize my own life. Those are the conditions. It's a demon. Don't be threatened. Don't be intimidated by non-existing evil spirits that are going to haunt you if you don't submit to those parental blackmails. Never. Kunamata hakusi kupusa, kupusa hakusi kunamata, kupusa kunamatise, kunamata hakupusisi.